Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we're looking at the 2022 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 LT Trail Boss. Coming in this nice black coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 5.3-liter engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with that tow hitch receiver, a dual exhaust, rear park sensing, backup camera, blacked out Chevy logos, and the LT logo with a Bedliner. Got the Trail Boss logo right there. Mud flaps on the rear and front with gripped running boards on either side. Blind spot detection. And moving to the front real quick, we got front park sensing, recovery hooks, license plate bracket, and that nice Chevy Grille. Taking a look in the back here, we can see this vehicle does see up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black leather interior, plenty of door space, some wood paneling, floor mats. You got a carpeted interior, you got cup holders and storage, 12-volt rear vents, outlets. You do get these nice backseat storage as well as on that side, and you do get cup holders and arm space with the ability to have a split folding rear bench seat, which is pretty nice for extra storage. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a power driver's seat with the same leather interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of more door space up front, powered mirrors, powered windows, Bose sound system, parking brake, lights, tone home mode and drive modes, 4-wheel drive, and all that fun, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at your main screen here, the odometer is sitting at 250,216 kilometers. You got a digital speedometer there. Information about the vehicle, your music, navigation, phone, and other settings. To remember, we got a vinyl wrap steering wheel that is heated, which is pretty nice. Cruise control. You have your voice, phone, toggle free screens. Volumes and modes will be behind the steering wheel with tons of storage. You got cup holders, some storage here, storage underneath as well with some outlets. You get your engine starts up, trailer brake, some outlets, 12-volt and a nice big one there. Park sensing, tailgate, hazards, traction, outlet, and hill. Upper and lower storage. Storage on the dash with garage door transmitter. Features 4-year sunroof, which provides excellent lighting for the vehicle. OnStar, all that jazz. You do get a nice powered rear window opener, which is pretty handy. And looking at our infotainment system here, we do get our audio, which AM, FM, Bluetooth. Pretty neat. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, users, Chevrolet, My Chevrolet, climate controls, because you do get them up here as well, or down there. Whatever you really prefer, totally up to you. We got our backup camera, pretty easy. Got some guidance, closer look at what you're trying to tow. We're going to hit our music again, because we do get SiriusXM capabilities as well. Your navigation, if you activate it, and all that fun stuff. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is KE26321A, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.